Today we have a issue that my car won't start because it gives me an error on the display, and this red light flashes constantly, and you hear like a bang or like a ticking noise in the actuator. So I was going to show you my car won't start. You can see the flashing light over here. It flashes constantly, and I don't know if you hear the humming sound or the ticking sound in the background, and it gives me a check engine temperature. Usually when this happens is that probably fuel is not getting into the fuel pump and other part of the system as well. But we're going to check the fuses to see if something is bad or what. Okay, so I'm going to go into the fuse box on the passenger side of the car. Okay, so usually the fuel pump fuse is the yellow one. You can see it there next to a small fuse up into the relay, right here, this one. So in order to get there, I'm going to remove the relay from here, this one. After removing the relay, you can see the fuse there. Two things: you could put a test light or pull it out. I'm just going to pull it out and show to see if usually the fuses have like a little metal link that connects one end to the other, and it's easy to just pull it and look at it. So I'm going to pull it, I'm going to pause it, and then we can take a look at it. Well, I don't know if you can see it there, that the link is open between the two. So if we replace the fuse, we should be good. So let's replace the fuse and put everything back, and let's try to start the car again. Place the fuse back, and then remember to put the relay back into place, just to make sure that we don't forget that. Place all the covers back, but we're gonna start the car before putting the cover back on. So now we're gonna try to start the car once again to see if it starts and to see if it gives us the same error. Okay. So whenever you have a engine temperature test, just remember to check the fuse. The car just started with a lot of power, so this was the issue, a blown fuse. Thank you for watching.